Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix Red Dead Redemption. Your device isn't compatible with this version problem. See, this is the problem. Okay, let's fix it. Okay, let's start the video. After that, now go back your home screen. Go to your phone setting and follow my step. Scroll down, now tap one apps. Scroll down, now search for Google Play Store. Now tap one Google Play Store and tap one storage. Now tap one clear cache. Now tap one force storage and tap one permission. Now all permission. Now tap one general management. Scroll down, now tap one reset. Scroll down, now reset mobile network setting. Now tap one reset settings. Now tap one reset. After that, now go back your home screen. Go to your Play Store and update your Play Store apps. Now tap one profile icon. Scroll down, now tap one settings. Now tap one about. Scroll down, now tap one update Play Store. After that, now go back your home screen. Now restart your phone device. By doing this process, you can successfully, easily solve your problem. Thank you.